Good. So starting here, not counting the trill, tell me the names of the notes. Good. How far apart are E, G, and C? Sometime this week.
Both steps.
They're both whole steps. You're playing half step. So E. Lower, lower. So, now D, C. Back to where we were. No, it's 2-4. Good. So you know this from piano. Anytime you have a trill or a mordent, you play it in the key, unless otherwise marked. Okay. If somebody had put a sharp above this, you would have played E, F sharp, but there's not one. So it's E, F, which are half steps, and this is going to be D, E, not D, E flat or D, D sharp. It's D, E. Okay, when you play this one. Sorry for that. Okay, so let's work on this first. So the deal is you must work at getting those two positions. Okay, so third, so play D, E, F. So you're going to go to third position, play D, E, F. No, play D. Higher. Now D, E, F. Now go back to extend it, and you put your second finger on the D, and you're going to play C, D, E. C, D, E. It's out of 10. Okay, so what I want you to practice is getting really good at finding those two positions, okay? So if you're thinking where the D is, so then play it backwards. Okay? So D, E, F. Match it with the open D. Go back to D. No, the E's out of 10. The F is too high. The E was good. No, the E's too low. Now the D's too low. Play with the open D. There it is. Stop. So the D and the E, because they're both in the same group, they have to match precisely, or it's going to go, it's out of 10, okay? So, da, ba, da, bum, ba, dum. Good. C's too low. Da, and the D's too low. No. Good. Again. No, D's too low. That's it. Good. Now play it backwards. F, E, out of 10. shift, back up, back up, back down. Good. So now we're going to add ba-dum, shift, deck up, okay, try it. Okay, play E, F, but you're in the wrong note. Stop. Play the D with your first finger. But play it. Ba-dum. Now shift back. 2. No. 2, 4, 2. 2, 4, 2. 2, 4, 2. Stop. Do it again. Same thing. No, it's out of tune. Play the D. Match the D. Okay, so the deal is, because the D is the center, so it's the 1 here, which is the 3rd position. You should know where that is, and this is 2nd position. 3rd, 2nd. And the D will help you know. The E is a little bit more difficult to do the 3 and then the 4. It's much easier to do the 1 and the 2. Okay? So tune the D first. Good. Put it on, shift. Now back up. Okay, you can do it that way. Too high. Now the C's too low. Good, do it again. Keep all your fingers down. Higher E. Play the D. Now higher E. Good, now play with the trill. Ba-dum, ba-ba-dum. No, 3, 4, 3. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. Good, stop. When you play 2, 4, 2, make sure your 3 goes down. Don't hold it up in the air. Okay, stop. Now you might have it memorized, right? Look in the mirror. Watch your fingers. First fingers in the air. Good. Now, the other thing that's killing you on this is you're shifting like this. The arm needs to go. Okay? It's like you probably have no idea what a stick shift is on a car, do you? Well, when I grew up driving cars, okay, you had to shift the gears. It didn't shift them for you. Okay? So they either had the gear shift here on the steering wheel, you would pull it down, or they had a stick shift. When I was in high school, my dad had a Corvair, which was an old car, 1965 Corvair. It was really, but it had a stick shift, 4 on the floor. Okay, so to get started, you put it in first gear, pop, the clutch comes out, you hit the gas, and then you push the clutch in, you pull it back. Okay, but if you try to do it like this, it won't work. Okay, so same idea. It's like shifting gears. You want your arm in each position. Ba-dum, next position, down, ba bump, down, bump up, down, ba da dum. Okay, it's a very active. It's not yeah. But every time you move your hand like this, you're changing your position. You want to keep the position the same. Try it again. So this time, use that elbow. No, the elbow didn't move back. Move the elbow back. So when you're in first position, the elbow's going to come back further, okay? When you're in third, here. So not this way. What's happening is it's this way and your arm's doing this. We want this, so not quite so far this way. Here, try it again. Play the D. First finger. shift again. Good. Now, last but not least, you got to work on your thumb some because your thumb is getting stuck. Okay, so you're playing bam, and it's kind of doing this, and the thumb kind of catches up. This finger and this finger, it should be bam, bam, bop, bop, bam, bam, da, da, bam. These go together always. Okay, like this. They don't ever separate. Just bang, 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 bang. Okay, try it. First finger on D. But you did. So think extended position. Do it again. First finger down. Shift. 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 Okay. So when I grab your hand to shift, it's like stuck. Okay, so when you make that shift, just like when we practiced the Sechik, okay, it's letting loose of that thumb so the hand can shift, okay? But these are quick shifts, okay? So when you're playing this, you got to move it quickly. Okay, so now, we talked a little bit last time about how to practice this, right? Okay, so look where my elbow is. It's almost even with my back, okay, to start. Yours is like here. Okay, and this is what makes this do weird stuff. Now it's behind my back. So, you want to practice a couple different ways. You want to play this and do a quick shift. So, don't play it, but practice the quickness of the shift and then play it. Okay, so try that. So you're going to play. You're going to play this note and do a quick shift, but don't play the next note, all right? No, that was a quick shift. No. No, do down and shift. But don't make any noise. We'll play it too. Good. Good, I'll play the next one. Stop, so down, stiff. Down, shift. No, that's it. With your elbow. Even with your back. There it is. Turn. Shift quick. Shift. No, but yeah, bottom. Shift. No, shift, don't play. Shift. Now, what's out of tune? Do you understand what I'm doing? So each time, you're going to play the trill and shift quickly. And then here. Okay? Once you've mastered that, and again, you got to get your body twisted. It's around this way too far. Remember, when you're on the A string, your shoulder's going to move back this way. Okay, so a quick motion and really think about this finger being on D and this finger being on D and this finger being on C, okay? D, C, D. Well, if you go to just the E until you know where it is with a better certainty, you're going to miss it. Okay? Try it again. Okay, hold your bow. Good. So quick, bump, shift. No, just boom, shift. So, shift. That was slow. You could have shifted 8 times. No, shift.